Greetings and salutations, race fans, motorsport lovers, and others, and welcome to the Global Elite 300 in Camille. The wind is blowing, there's a lot of cloud, it's actually a little bit chilly. I took my jacket off just so that you could see the twin star on my shirt. We've had qualifying, the first loop is about to start. Brief look at the rally, 2 loops of around about 125, 130 kilometers each. Guys will come past here on their loop. They've got a choice. Either go down to the service area and refuel or get something done that needs fixing on the car, or carry on racing. We know that the guys at the sharp end are going to carry on racing. Big surprise. We've got 39, 40 cars who are starting this morning. Surprise. Check at this. Hannes Simon on fastest qualifying. Morning.
Good day, sir. How are you?
I'm not as happy as you are.
Look, I'm always happy. It's race day. It's a fun day.
It's always better. It's better than mowing the lawn, isn't it?
Well, who does that?
What a brilliant qualifying you guys had this morning.
Yeah, look, the terrain, the weather, everything is coming together nicely. This is a perfect track for any race car. Any race car. But the Maverick likes the tights. It prefers it over the long straights. I mean, like I've said in the past, we only top out at 155 k's an hour. So we make up all the time in the tights.
And there are plenty of tights coming up now.
I hope so. And hopefully we can keep our lead. We've got a decent 30-second lead, I think, on the second guy, which is quite a bit in racing terms. I mean, the last event I lost overall. I came second by only 12 seconds. So every second counts.
Absolutely. And the plan, you are going to attack right from the beginning and give it full beans.
Yeah, look, we try and break the car. Honestly, it's still in development stages, so we go as hard as we can for as long as we can until something breaks. So that's the game plan.
Go hard, then go home.
Yeah, with the number 1 trophy, hopefully. But never say anything till you've crossed the finish line.
Absolutely. Good luck. Have fun and entertain us.
I will.
Unbelievable. You know, we talk about side-by-sides. This is probably the future of major cross-country racing. Relatively affordable. Everything in motor racing is relatively affordable. Nothing is cheap. So really exciting to see them on pole. Lots of work they've done with heat insulation on the back there. Every race, lots of little bits and pieces. You can see all the nice new heat insulation stuff there. Exhaust is all super hot, ready to roll, and they will entertain. Let's take a walk down the pit lane here. We see Johan de Bruin is gracing us with his presence in the Revo. Keith Smith was here. They're all sitting. Morning, gentlemen, drivers and others.
Motorsport lovers and others.
We all love motorsport lovers. I'm not going to talk to you yet, Lurt. We're going to come to you because you're not first. How can you let a side-by-side beat you, Keith?
Ja, ons geen kans om te gaan.
Maar jy het 'n ongelooflike qualifying gehad.
Ja, ons het 'n lekker time trial gehad. Skoon getraai ry, is nie getraai liberties vat nie. So ons het so 1 rondslot gehad, maar niks ernstigs nie. Kar is 1 stuk so. Ons moet hom nou net hou.
Maar jy's in die CR5, jy het 'n CR6 met lood en ons
'n paar van hulle wat op my gat is, so ons hulle kom. So ons moet hom daar hou.
Wat's jou plan? Flat out van die begin af.
Wat gaan my pace hou, en as dit nie goed genoeg is nie, dan sal ons sit van daar af vat, maar as jy gaan overdrive, dan is ek gewoonlik net stadiger, so ek gaan my pace hou en dan sien ons waar Penny dag uit.
Ons weet hoe lood met die screamer en hy wil almal pas, sommer net nou en hy scream almal en hy pla. Hy klaar baie. Ja. Het jy jou screamer gecheck met hom?
Ja, ons sal nou kyk gou. Ek plak hom uit, ek gaan hom uitplak.
Maar eers moet hy jou vang.
Dis die ding. Nee, wat ons sal kyk, dit is 'n lang dag en dit help nie ou. Nou sê hulle dankie aan jou chicken, so ons moet hom eers by die einde kry en die kar in 1 stuk by die einde kry en So ons sal die pace wat ons ry try hou nou en ons kyk ons waar kom die dag. Hoopelik maak die roete bietjie oop want dit was baie tight geweest. Hierdie groot karre soekie hierdie tight sections nie. So ek dink dit was waar die kar sy tyd maak in die tights en die four-wheel drive. So ons hoop is daar 'n bietjie faster flowing goeters dan kan ons hammer down.
Alles van die beste.
Dankie, waardeer.
Lut, het jy jou screamer gecheck?
Nee, nog nie, maar ek glo hy sal reg wees.
Wie was jou qualifying?
Ja, ons het oopgemaak vanoggend, 'n bietjie pad gesoek. Was 'n bietjie moeilik. Laaste stuk is heavy tight. Maar ag wat, dit was lekker.
Jy gaan net mielies gooi.
Ja, ons maar probeer weer voorkom. Eers maar manne voor ons, maar ou moet dit ook nou nie oordoen nie. Maar dan gaan jy met 'n probleem sit. Ja.
En ons kom nou op die klein draaier vir die kampioenskap en jy het 'n goeie lead, maar jy moet hom daar hou.
Ja, wel gaan obviously try. Dis altyd lekker. Ons mos hier om reisies te jag en goed te doen om almal probeer wen. So ja, dis maar die storie. Ons sal maar try daar vooruit kom.
Alles van die beste.
Sjoe, dankie Colin.
Cheers. He's smiling.
Always. We can race, we smile.
Jou rowwe ding.
Morning, Colin.
Jan, how are you?
Excellent, thanks. If we can come play in the dust and the mud, then everything's going well.
And you've got the Revo. How did it go this morning?
Yeah, it went well. Like I said, I've got a very a navigator that's come out for his first time ever. So he's still reading in the book. I'm looking for stickers, and we're getting there.
I see what you did there. You already started with, some say drivers' excuses. I'll call them drivers' reasons. You're preparing just in case you don't win.
I didn't come here to win, to be honest. We came here to have a lot of fun. I don't want to upset the apple cart with the other guys that's been competing all year. We had so many problems in the national last week. Stupid things that just went wrong. That we worked on a car hard this week, and I just wanted to come have fun and see if we can have a clean run.
Awesome. How do you pronounce the oil?
Apparently, the Germans call it Rover.
Rover.
But it works.
If you say so, as long as it's slippery when wet.
It's all that they need.
Mr. De Bruin, have fun, be fast, be safe, and entertain us.
Thank you very much. I'm going to do exactly that.
Thanks for
Okay, bye.
Môre Kieten, hoe gaan dit?
Gaan met oom.
Ja, baie lekker. Dis jy ook 'n rowwe ding.
Ja, lekker hoor. Vinnig.
En hoe gaan dit met die kar?
Baie lekker. Eerste reis vir die nuwe kar. It's nice.
Maar hoekom het jy 'n nuwe kar?
Die Ford het bietjie probleme gegee. Bietjie baie.
Maar het jy in enige sake by die probleme contribute?
Ja. Nee, dit was goed as jy nie eintlik kan beheer wat breek.
Maar jy leer baie, né?
Ja, hierdie kar is ek kan wel lekkerder met hom ry. Die rally is actually lekker hierdie jaar. So met hierdie kar ja. Ja, ek kan
En kom jy ooreen met die kar?
ja, kan lekker ry. Deur die sand lekker maklik. Sit lekker.
En jou plan is flat out van die word go.
Ja, hom plat papa.
Môre Laurie, hoe gaan dit?
Goed met jou.
Nee, lekker, dankie. Dis jou eerste reis, né?
Inderdaad.
En hoe voel jy, Laurie?
Ek moet sê, ou is op jou sene wees, maar dit is ongelooflik.
En het jy die roeteboek notas daarin gemaak en daai tipe goed?
My eie notaatjies gemaak, maar dit help nie vreeslik met Johan nie, want hy's so vinnig, die boek raak agter. So.
Vinnige bladsy draai.
Ja, en dan sukkel ou nog want jy bewe so om die blerrie bladsy omgedraai te kry, maar ja, nee, dit het lekker gegaan met quali. Ons sal nou sien hoe dit nou gaan. Dis mos nou maar bietjie, dis mos nou 'n real thing, so.
En hoe is dit om in jou eerste reis met 'n in so vinnige kar in te kom en hoe voel dit?
Nee, dit is ongelooflik. Ek moet sê ek dink dis fisies die beste ding wat ek nog in my lewe gedoen het. En die adrenalien maar wat lekker is Johan, jy weet hy help ou terwyl hy bestuur, help hy nog navigate ook en help hy my, so dit maak dit makliker. Maar hy sê net ek moet ophou om te skree want hy raak so opgewonde hier binne. Hy praat 'n bietjie hard, maar dit is baie lekker. Ek moet sê is ongelooflik.
En sê vir my, jou voete, voel jy, laat jy, as jy by 'n draai kom, dan soek jy die briek daar.
Dit het 'n paar keer gebeur. Ja, hou skop maar vas. Want hier's nie 'n handle wat jy kan vat nie.
Alles van die beste, Larry.
Mooi bly.
Môre Gideon gaan dit.
Goed, dankie self.
Nee, lekker. Daai olieryk.
Nee, ek weet nie, ek dink is net 'n overflow, 'n brewerpyp wat so 'n bietjie uitspoeg, maar is fyn.
Maar jy het nou die big boy gebring.
Ja, nee, laas keer was die vrou se kar so, dit het nie vir ons gewerk nie. Ons moet met die groot een kom.
En hoe het qualifying vir jou gegaan vanoggend?
Nee, solid. Die eerste stuk was bietjie glad, maar ons het daarna ritme gekry. Rad is lekker, die kar stiek soos hel in hom. So nee, baie lekker gaan. So ek dink die eerste van die specials gekwalie en 6de overall so. Lang dag oor, maar nee, ons is happy met waar ons is.
Die manne met die Centuries sê dis 'n bietjie tight vir hulle.
Ja, selfs met Dene ook. Daar's ons, ek dink ons is bietjie meer forgiving. Ons het nie panels wat ons kan afry nie, so. Maar nee, hy is bietjie tight. Ek hoop hy maak bietjie oper. Maar nee, dik van 'n roete. Baie, dit is bietjie bestuurwerk.
En die sand is interessant vanoggend want daar was 'n bietjie reën en hy het baie grip in hom.
Ja, so die eerste stuk was bietjie glad geweest. Dit was amper bietjie meer gras, so dit was so bietjie awkward geweest, maar ja, so ek sê die laaste 15 km van time trial. Ja, dit was awesome. Nee, as jy hom stukkie sand is nat en daar's traction en daar's alles so. Baie nice geweest.
Sien hy gesit daai glimlag.
Ja, nee, dit was fun geweest. Dit was regtig lekker geweest.
Alles van die beste.
Dankie baie.
Kom ons praat met Junior. Junior, die groot kar is 'n bietjie beter as die kleintjie, né?
Ja, nee, ons is anti-belde op hierdie stadium. Ons stiek by die porter. Daar's geen belde daar nie, so ek dink ons gaan 'n lekker reisie vandag. Ons het 'n ongelooflike time trial gehad. Dit is 'n flippin lekker roete. So ek dink ons gaan van hê vandag.
En die navigasie was reg vir julle.
Ja, nee, dit was actually baie lekker geweest. Daar was taamlik spore voor ons en ons het weer 'n klompie spore voor ons. So ons gaan maar druk dat ons eerste loop daai spore volg en dan tweede loop gaan ons gaan vir dit.
En ek sien julle het 'n bietjie naby gery aan bome.
Ja, ek het 'n hele paar dorings in my stert gehad. So maar nee, dit was lekker. Dit was nou op plekke die bome bietjie laag gehang, maar ons het dit mooi deurgetrek, veilig huis toe gebring. So ons hoop vir nog so enetjie vandag.
Lekker Junior, alle van die beste. Cheers.
Colin. Thanks.
Hello, James.
How you doing? Oh, I think I got busted on camera.
Oh, you will.
Yeah, good. And yourself?
Very good. And see a little bit of weight loss there.
Yeah, weight gain. Yeah.
I mean,
Oh, there. Yeah. Yeah, because once you need the loo in one of these, you can't concentrate properly.
And do you, like if you need to, do you go in the car?
I've done it I've done a fair bit of track racing, sports prototype, and I'm afraid you just got to get it over the first one. Once you've done it once, but it's not very nice. But the relief that comes from being able to concentrate again.
And tell me, after you've been in the seat,
Then I get John, and then I swap the seats over for the next race.
do you tell your the next guy to sit in the seat, hey, be in the seat, and more importantly, do you tell the mechanic?
Definitely not. Definitely not. No. We this particular car, when we run through her between races, the seats come out anyway, and then they can get doctored specially and then put back in again.
Right, you're representing Botswana, the first of your countrymen here today. What do you expect?
Well, Camille's always great. I hope it opens up a bit for us in the buggies. I mean, it's amazing what the guys put on here. I'm not saying it's a bad course, but this morning the tight stuff is difficult in one of these. But still, I think it'll open up a bit. The rain, for us in particular, the rain must hold off. So if we can just get a window, it's nice what's happened. It's keep the dust down. But I think if it rains on us, it's a nightmare in one of these.
And there's a lot of grip just under the loose surface
Yeah.
with the damp soil.
We saw that this morning. It's only the top layer that rips through there. There's actually quite a bit of dust out there still. So yeah, we just hopefully, I think it's going to hold off. I think it's coming this evening, but that's fine.
I hope it holds off because I'm a little bit, my clothing is a little bit scroll for rain. I didn't bring full rain gear. It was supposed to be super hot.
Yeah, it looks like the forecast is correct. So let's hope it just holds off. The problem is when in these cars, when it goes down the inside of the visor, we've got plenty of lappies to clean, and I've got to resist the urge to look through my glasses. I did that for the last 3 minutes. It left the visor. It was raining at the end of the prologue, and within 3 minutes, I mean, just no plan. So I've got to resist the urge to pull the visor up.
And then if the visor goes up and there is a little bit of dust, the dust goes on to everywhere.
Everywhere, yeah. So we've got to
It's tough being a driver.
Someone's got to do it.
But it's better than the first time I spoke with you on that epic Dakar where you were Malimotoing, the last man in. You ate dust for 2 weeks.
Yeah, I certainly did. I just, what springs into mind is those Kamaz trucks. Would love to see them back one day. I looked forward every day to those guys coming past. I didn't really like what they did to the road. They really but what's spectacular to be able to see everybody, all the top teams, everybody coming past. It's like a bird's eye view of the race. It was amazing. I'll never forget that. Quite an experience. And at least I won the Red Lantern. So I won something.
Motorsport and memories and friends and family the motorsport family, very, very special.
Absolutely. I've been lucky enough to do all manner of motorsport. I would say most definitely this particular series. A big thank you to Audrey and his whole team and Bella and everybody. This series is, I think personally anyway, the best motorsport I've ever done in South Africa. It's just just fantastic. Great people, great organization, 100%. Really
let's end it on there.
Yeah.
The best motorsport you've ever done.
Yeah, 100%.
Good luck.
Thanks, Colin. All the best. Thank you. Cheers, Colin.
Môre Jan, hoe gaan dit? Baie lekker. Jy het 'n goeie qualifying gehad.
Ja, ons het lekker gery. Daar was niks probleme nie, net so 'n bietjie wasem, maar nee, alles mooi geloop.
En dink jy ons sien daar dat 'n bietjie stof is. Dink jy dit gaan met die wind, dit sal jou help?
Ja, nee, ons is dankbaar vir die wind, hy gaan ons baie help.
Alles van die beste. Dankie dat jy met ons gepraat het.
Dankie, waardeer.
Wees vinnig, wees veilig. Bonnie, môre?
Gaan dit?
Ja, baie goed. Hoe gaan dit met jou? Ja.
Ons kan nie kla nie.
Nou laaste race, daar was probleme met die suspension en alle tipe aan baie goed. Is alles nou reg vanoggend?
Reg.
En jy het 'n goeie start position?
Ja, ons het een, hè. Ons het 2 plekke wat 'n bietjie geovershoot het, maar ja, ons gaan lekker ry.
En wat is jou plan vir vandag? Flat out van die begin af.
Al die pad.
Goeie milies, dankie dat jy met ons gepraat het. Wees vinnig, wees veilig.
Dankie.
Cheers.
Graag.
Môre TG, hoe gaan dit?
Gaan ek jouself, Colin?
Baie lekker. Mooi lekker koel dag vandag met 'n bietjie wind. Net die ding om races te ry.
Nee, verseker, dit is 'n fantastiese weer om vandag te kan ry.
En jy gaan 'n bietjie flat out gaan vandag.
Ja, nee, ons wil bietjie vinnig gaan, bietjie voor wees. So ons gaan my bes te probeer.
Is alles reg met die kar?
Ja, alles voel daarom reg, alles klink reg, so ons hoop net hy kom mooi tot by die einde toe.
Ja, alles van die beste.
Dankie.
Wees vinnig, wees veilig.
Maak so, dankie.
Nilan, I know we spoke to you a little bit earlier. I just want to know who your signwriter is, who does your names for your car.
That will be my mechanic, Johan. Yeah, I know.
It's very special.
It is. It's cool. It's nice to see. But we forgot our names at home, so so now we have to improvise.
Well, at least you get the job done. Have fun.
Thank you. See you.
Cheers. Môre Eugene, gaan dit?
Ja.
Ja, right, dankie. Jy's 'n bietjie uit position uit van qualifying. Wat het gebeur?
Ag, dit was net nie 'n goeie qualifying nie. Ons het 'n groot foutjie gemaak en ja. Maar ons sal sien wat maak ons.
Is dit 'n fout wat julle kan korrek in die race nou?
Nee, ag, ek dink die tyd is te veel.
Okay, maar jy gaan probeer.
Ja, natuurlik, ons sal 'n goeie try gee.
En ek like dit as jy goeie tries want daar's groot entertainment met die centuries.
Ja, nee, is reg. Ek kan nie wag.
Alles van die beste. Thanks.
Reg, baie dankie julle.
Môre Willem, hoe gaan dit?
Lekker jy, dankie Colin.
Ja, lekker. Daar's baie geraas hierso, groot engine.
Ja, hy loop mooi.
En hoe was jou qualifying vanoggend?
Ons het 'n bietjie in die reën gery en sonder die windscreen was dit 'n probleem, maar verder baie lekker. Lekker roete gewees. Baie geniet.
En jou plan vir vandag, flat out van die begin af?
Maar klaar, maar ons is 'n bietjie rusty. Eerste race is per jaar, so ons kyk maar wat gebeur.
Alles van die beste.
Dankie.
Cheers. Morning, Martin. How are you?
Lekker and you, Colin?
I'm very good, thanks. How was your qualifying?
Yeah, qualifying was very good. We did well. We started 17th, dropped down to 13th, so yeah, it was good. It was lekker.
Awesome stuff. Well done. I'm just looking to see in your bag here. I don't see where your bro wipes.
No, they're there at the pits. I don't need them while I'm racing.
Oh, because the plan is not to get out of the car.
100%. That's it. We'll clean up when we finish.
Awesome. Nice that Global Elite came on board for sponsoring this event. Thank you very much. We do appreciate it.
Yeah, we're privileged and feel honored to be able to do something like this. All for the love of the sport and for everybody, man.
Awesome. Now you got to get going. You've got one guy starting ahead of you. How nervous are you on a scale of 1 to 10?
I'd say about a 7, but when that flag drops, there's no nerves. It's all on the road.
Awesome. Good luck. Have fun.
Thanks, Colin. Ciao.
Let's remember, if you ever need, if you get dirty and you get sweaty, bro wipes for everything. If you haven't got a curtain, bro wipes. Nervous a little bit?
Yeah, I think we've been here before, so just take it easy. But there's also always a little bit of nervousness.
Interesting thing. This car, you guys are developing a local chassis, locally manufactured. And how's it going now?
It's been going good so far, it's all R&D, and everyone that knows that, building your own thing is never easy. It's not going to buy a thing. So far, so today, no hassles, and we showed the cars really got some good performance against all the other side-by-sides. We're leading the class, so let's hope we can keep it like that until the end.
Is there anything that you concerned about that's just sitting niggling in the back of your head on the car?
No, so it's my wife's first time navigating. So
that's a nervous thing that you're worried about. Congrats.
So unfortunately, on the time trial, I had to check the route because the stuff didn't work at all. So I don't think we did too bad, going with that. But besides that, it's going good.
Awesome. Good luck. Have fun. We need to talk to some other guys. Cheers. Goeiemôre, hoe gaan dit?
Hoe gaan dit met oom?
Lekker. Goed om die Javelin karre weer terug te sien.
Ja, nee, wat ons is bly om terug te wees. Ja.
En hoe was your qualifying?
Baie goed. Ons het bitter goed gekwalify van 30ste af 17de toe en ons is in die mix van die groot ouens. Ons is happy.
En wat was jou secret om daai spot in die qualifying te kry?
Oom, dit het maar tyd gevat. Dis 'n nuwe bakkie, maar ons het soos 'n scope van 'n geweer, ons het hom dial dien, so hy loop nou reg. Spensie is perfek, so hy's nou soos 'n trein op rails. Hy hardloop nou lekker.
Alles van die beste in die race en ons sien jou by die einde. Dis die eerste goal, né?
Dankie, ja, dis die goal. Dankie oom.
Morning, Keith. How are you?
Oh, all good. Yourself today?
Absolutely fantastic. So good to see you had a problem-free qualifying. And the plan today, bring it back to the end, have another finish.
Yes, definitely. Take it easy first lap and then push a bit harder second lap.
Awesome.
That's the plan. And no getting out of the car. Apparently there are a lot of rocks up there. So
we
that's
look
the plan.
forward to seeing that big smile at the end.
For sure.
Thanks. Cheers.
All right.
difficult with the helmets on to hear, both of us. Got some hearing problems. Tony Gouveia. Morning, Tony. How are you?
All right, and you?
Morning. How was qualifying?
Yeah, it was nice, fun, eh?
A fair bit of grip in the sort of damp sand, eh?
Yeah, no, it was nice. It was very twisty, enjoyable.
And not too hot for you guys today?
No, it's cool. Nice wind, bit of a breeze, very lekker. Temperature's 100%.
And you'll be looking forward to a lovely cool drink when you get to the end.
Oh, yes, most definitely.
Awesome. Good luck. Keep the Nissan motor screaming. It sounds magnificent.
Thanks, man.
Cheers. Morning, Khalil. How are you?
Morning. Good, thanks. And yourself?
Absolutely fantastic. Qualifying was okay for you?
Yeah, not bad. A bit tricky here and there, but very nice.
Well, you've got to get through a little bit of tight stuff now.
Yeah, that's true. We're looking forward to it.
Awesome. Good luck. Have fun. Thanks for chatting to us.
Thank you so much.
Cheers.
Yeah.
Ek dink hy werk, Roan.
Ja, ek glo hy werk.
Hoe was jou qualifying?
Man, ons het 'n bietjie bad luck gehad met die ry wat opgevang het. Dit is nou hier planne gemaak, maar die reën is gelukkig oor, so ons glo dit gaan nou beter gaan.
Die goeie ding van daai ding is dat jy kan hom nie mis nie, né?
Ja, jy hoor hom beslis.
En jy hoop die ouens voor jou hoor hom ook.
Yes, ja, ek glo so.
Alles van die beste. Thanks for the chat.
Dis reg, dankie.
Môre Tokkie.
Gaan dit goed?
Baie goed met julle.
Baie goed, dankie.
Dit is altyd lekker om te sien hoe mooi skoon die kar is aan die begin van die reis. Hoe was jou qualifying?
Nee, ons het nie lekker gekwalify nie. Hier was 'n draaitjie los op die wat gearkat. Maar ek het dit uitgesort, so nou gaan.
Maar ek het gehoor daar was 'n misfire.
Ja, heeltyd so gemisfire.
En is hy nou reg?
Ons glo so, ja, dit lyk so.
Maar nou het jy 'n ander probleem. Laat jy uit plek is vir die eintlik spoed wat jy gewoonlik het.
Ag wat, dit bly lekker. So ons gaan net ons bes gee en dan gaan ons aan. Die wind waai daarom en die baan is nie so stowwerig nie en die weer is lekker.
Ja, die atmosfeer hierso by die regionals is ongelooflik. Daai attitude wat ons is hier om te reis en 'n bietjie fun te hê. Ja. Dis die gees is ongelooflik.
Ja, daar's die gees soos hier by die regionals op 'n ander plek.
Alles van die beste.
Mooi gaan.
Môre Stefan de Koning.
Goed, dankie self, Colin.
Ja, baie dankie. Dankie dat jy die engine afgesit het. Nou kan ons 'n bietjie hoor.
Ja, nee, wat is reg.
Hoe was jou qualifying?
Nee, alright, ons het effens 'n misfire. Maar ons weet nie waar kom dit vandaan nie, maar verder is alright geweest, ja.
En is die misfire hy is nog daar?
Ja, hy is nog daar, ja. Ons sal sien, hopelik sort hy homself uit.
Ja, rev hom 'n bietjie, rev mooi engineering.
Rev hom reg.
Alles van die beste. Thanks.
Dankie.
Good luck.
Dankie.
Morning, Alex.
Colin, how are you?
I'm fantastic. How are you?
Good, thank you. Can't
So we've decided we're not going to use the word Pajero.
No. They called it the Pospus the other day.
You also got to be very careful that you put all the right letters in the right order when you say that word.
Pospus. Yeah, no, what do you want to say? Yeah.
How was qualifying?
Nice. It's a nice track. It's quick. Yeah, so you'll finish if you just get the car home. It'll be good.
And that's the idea.
Today, yes.
Awesome. Well,
But you'll get it there.
good luck and keep the post bus right side up.
We will. Thank you.
Cheers. Môre Liesel, gaan dit?
Bedankie self.
Baie goed, dankie. Dis nou nuwe brille, né?
Hulle maak nie so seer soos die ander nie.
En dit is eintlik die regte dag om ordentlike brille te dra.
Ek kan nie sien as die ligte skerp is nie. Dis 'n probleem.
Maar dit lyk baie mooi.
Baie dankie.
En die kar is reg.
Kar is reg, ja.
Lekker. Ry vinnig, ry veilig en ons sien jou by die einde.
Baie dankie, sien later.
En net so is hy stil, Tiaan, hoe gaan dit?
Nee, goed. Sien weer agter en as die nerves is hierso.
Ja, maar dis net 'n paar draaie op en 'n lekker pad om te ry.
Smaklik.
Alles reg met die bakkie.
100%.
Hy's nie 'n bakkie, hy's 'n Hilux.
Dis die Hilux hier, die oudste ene.
Ja, hy kan amper in die historic klas ry.
Sê weer?
Hy kan amper in die historic klas ry.
Nee, is nie historiek. Ons het nog die groot hond aan aanvaat met die ene.
Alles van die beste en gooi milies.
Dankie, ons gaan. Waardeer. Dankie.
Hallo Walter, hoe gaan dit?
Hey, lekker en jy man?
Ja, baie lekker. Ek sien daai gesig is al groot al.
Ja?
Daai smile.
Ja,
is lekker groot.
nee, ons ry daarom, ons is nog aan die gang, so dit is lekker.
En wat verwag jy vir vandag? Wat verwag jy?
Dit roete is mooi, die reën het bietjie gehelp, minder stof, so maar is baie tyd, weet, so ons moet hom maar rustiger vat. Weet, daar's baie bome, kort skerp draaie.
En as jy met 'n kar en 'n boom 'n fight het, wen die boom elke keer.
Ja, is net soos jy daar sê.
Alles van die beste.
Dankie.
Hello. Môre Dominic, gaan dit?
Dit self.
Baie goed, dankie. Daar's nie baie stof vandag of hoe?
Nee, gelukkig nie. Dit was nogal lekker geweest sonder die stof.
En dit gaan interessant wees as die in die pad as jy na die natter damp grond kom, daar's baie grip, né?
Ja, daar is. Maar plekke is dit ook maar baie glad nie. Maar mooi kop hou.
Ja, dis die ding. Ons sien jou by die einde. Ry veilig, ry vinnig.
Goed reg, dankie.
Cheers. Môre Lenes, hoe gaan dit? Ja, lekker. Ek sien die glimlag is lekker groot.
Ja.
En wat's met die reënjas? Dink julle dit gaan 'n bietjie reën?
Ons het vanoggend nat gereën. Ons wil nie weer nat reën nie.
Jy wil nie nat kry. Alles van die beste.
Dankie.
Hallo Gian, hoe gaan dit?
Goed, dankie oom.
Ja, lekker. Hoe was die braai gisterand?
Dit was heerlik geweest oom. Dik vet steaks so. Ja, heerlike braai so. Nou is ons reg vir die dag oom.
Is jy nou reg vir die braai vir vanaand?
Definitief oom. Saam met die bokke is 'n game man, ons reg.
En maar eers moet jy 'n paar grondpaadjies ry.
Ja, ons eers weer ons voete vind en dan sal ons kyk waar eindig ons oom.
Wat dink jy gaan die skool wees vanmiddag?
Nee, die bokke gaan wen, maar ek kan nie vir my skoor gee nie. Dan moet 20 punte wen.
Okay, ons sal praat na die game. Ek dink dit sal so groot wees nie, maar ons sal wag. Wat verwag jy vandag?
Oom, ek dink ons gaan nou 'n bietjie stof kry waar ons nie nou gehad het nie. Maar ek dink dit gaan 'n interessante roete rond die tweede lap. Dan gaan hy diep uitgetrap word.
Alles van die beste.
Dankie oom, waardeer, lekker dag.
Morning, Wilra.
Morning, how are you?
I think I'm feeling a little bit better than you feeling at the moment. What went wrong in qualifying?
Approximately 1 kilometer into the qualifying, we had a puncture on the left front.
and we just had to change it. So we lost around about 4 minutes there. Yeah, so now it's going to be major catch up or try and pass and catch up. So
It's gonna be a hectic 2 laps for you and Carolyn.
yeah, no, for sure. But we're going to keep our heads up, do the passes where we can, and see where we end up.
Awesome. Good luck. Be fast, be safe, and have fun.
Thank you.
Cheers. Morning, Andre. How are you? Let's just stick it in the front. Oh, it's Stan.
How's it?
Stan, lekker. I thought it was Andre ahead of you. You out-qualified him.
Yeah, no,
Dit was ongelooflijk.
I beat him with 2 minutes in qualifying.
Wow, that's a goeie run vir julle.
Ja, baie goeie run. Ons het 'n bietjie van 'n probleem, ons te agtershock het gebreek het. Maar ons het plan probeer maak, 'n quick fix. Is
Ja.
nie 100% reg nie, but we'll give it a try.
Ja, ongelooflik. Stan, hou hom daar. Dus die 2 perskarre, Twincast, Twin Star Precast hulle is daar. Ons sien jou by die einde.
Baie dankie, Colin.
Thanks, Stan.
Thanks.
Morning, Andre. How are you?
Colin, well and yourself?
Not too bad, thanks. How was qualifying? I see Stan's ahead of you.
Yeah, he came in, we watched the times, it was about 30 seconds between the two of us. But it was a good run. It's nice with a bit of rain that we had, there's no dust. And the wind that picked up, hopefully if there is a bit of dust, it will just go away.
You and Mom ready for this?
Yes, definitely.
I see he's got the page clicker for the navigation all sorted. Lovely stuff.
Yeah, no, we've got the remote and the tablet and everything is hooked up and ready to go.
Good luck, have fun.
Cool, thanks Colin.
Be fast and be safe.
We will
See
be,
you
thank
there.
you.
Dis nou 'n heel nuwe kar. Goeiemôre.
Môre.
Hoe gaan dit met die nuwe kar?
Dis eintlik ons Mosambiek kar wat ons mee gaan speel.
O, en die regular kar?
Ons kry nie parte nie.
O. So die storie van die kar, hy's 'n Robbie Gordon kar van Amerika af.
Ja, maar hulle moet nog werk aan die belt want hierdie belt ons sal maar sien hoe gaan dit.
Die selle nonsens met die al die beltkarre.
Ja, ons sal hom maar dophou.
Ek dink jy soek een van daai sequential gearboxes.
Seker maar, ons sal maar sien volgende jaar.
Alles van die beste. Morning.
Morning. How are you?
I'm very good. Botswana flying the flag high here.
Yeah, we try. We're out here to represent.
Awesome. How was qualifying?
It was a bit tough. We had some challenges. This is a new car for us, so we're also getting in it. And we're trying to learn the car and get to the finish line for now.
Are you enjoying the new car?
Yeah. It's doing us well for now.
I'm pleased to see you've got a roll of duct tape on the side there, ready in case you need it.
Just in case. It's a new car. We don't know what challenges we're going to face.
Where are the tie wraps?
Sorry?
You've got to have tie wraps as well as duct tape.
Yeah, no, we don't have tie wraps.
Awesome. Good luck. Have fun.
All right, take care.
Botswana for the win. Mohammed, how are you doing?
I'm good, thanks. Well, we're not really looking for the win today. We just want to finish strong. I'm with my son, 14 years old, training him how to navigate.
How cool is that? Father and son outing. It's a very, very special time.
Yeah, no, it's really, I'm really enjoying it. No pressure, and we're just gonna finish the race.
Awesome. And that smile that you've got going there is absolutely huge. Lovely to see.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. And
everything of the best. Good luck.
Nice to see you as well. Thank you.
Môre Hendrik. Gaan dit?
Ja, wat sien ek baie dinge uit. Ons is so 'n bietjie op ons sene weer want ons was 4 jaar laas hierso so ja maar alles hou ek is happy met die ding is maar bakkie loop by baie mooi
Dit is lekker om julle te sien hierso en ek hoop julle het 'n veilig en vinnige reis.
Baie dankie hopelik is ons nou hierso
sien jou nou.
Dankie daar sy Okay
Julle rowwe bliksems hier agter.
How are you?
I'm very good. How are you?
I'm very well. So happy to be here.
It makes a noise, that thing, eh?
And the rain gave us a chance.
It's
this dust for that matter, but yeah, looking forward.
It should be okay now. The little bit of wind and relatively okay.
Yes, definitely.
And the goal is just to bring it to the end and have fun.
Exactly. That's why we're here. Thank you so much. Huh?
Awesome. Good luck. Have fun.
Ah.